Hey everybody, I just want to say right off the bat that this is by far one of the best investments I've made. I buy a lot of tools because I'm a major DIYer and do a lot of stuff around the house, and I'm so far super happy with this pressure washer. I've had it about a year and only got to do a few major jobs with it. One of them being I just cleaned off my patio here a little while ago, and I just can't say enough. I'm super impressed with it. One of the major things that I was looking at when I was trying to find a pressure washer is I wanted something that was electric. Like I said, major DIYer, and I like things that are low maintenance and easy to handle, pretty convenient overall. This one, I like that it has this soap dispenser here. It has the automatic dilution if you want to use soap. I typically just use the pressure water or the pressure washer water itself without the soap. But if you want it, it's there, very easy. Comes with pretty much any tips that you'll need for common usage. I haven't bought any new ones for these like these here yet. I guess let me go ahead and show you, walk over here and show you a spot real quick. Like I said, I just cleaned all this area. It's still wet, but if you look, this is still really mildewy and moldy. You can see how quickly and easy it just strips all that old grime and mold and mildew off the concrete and cleans it up really quickly and nicely. So saved me a ton of time. Again, I'm super happy with it. Strongly recommend it. I'd buy it again for sure. Thanks.